In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of the Monzo app safely and securely. Whether you're using a shared device, switching accounts, or just want extra peace of mind, logging out is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through it step by step and explain what to expect along the way so nothing catches you off guard. Start by opening the Monzo app on your phone. When it loads, you'll land on your main feed or home screen. From here, look to the top left corner. You should see your name, your initials, or a small profile icon. Go ahead and tap that. This takes you to your profile area where you can access key options related to your account. Next, choose Settings. This is where Monzo keeps controls for things like preferences, security, and app behavior. Don't worry if the layout looks slightly different depending on your device. The essentials are the same. Once you're in settings, you won't see the logout option immediately at the top. That's intentional, so you don't tap it by accident. Now, scroll all the way to the bottom of the settings screen. When you reach the end, you'll see the logout option. Tap Logout. At this point, Monzo will ask you to confirm. This extra confirmation helps prevent accidental signouts, especially if you're just browsing through settings. When the confirmation prompt appears, press Logout again to finalize. After you confirm, the app will sign you out of your Monzo account. You'll be taken back to the sign-in screen. That's your signal that the process is complete. A few quick notes to keep in mind. Logging out does not close your account, delete your data, or affect your balances. It simply ends your current session on this device. The next time you open the app, you'll need to sign back in to access your account, and any features that rely on being signed in, like instant notifications, will pause until you do. If you use biometrics or a passcode to sign in, you'll be prompted for those the next time you return. And that's it. Open the app, tap your name at the top left, head into settings, scroll to the bottom, select Logout, and confirm. It's a small habit that goes a long way toward keeping your banking secure, especially if you ever share your phone or step away from your device. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you feel more confident navigating your Monzo app.